And now I would like to introduce you about this portable Hifu machine. You can see these two buttons are control the intensity of the power, and this button is to adjust the depth of the machine, and this button is the operation button. And you can see that this machine has one cartridge with three different depths: 1.5, 3.0, and 4.5. And then we connect power to check the machine. And you can see this is the display of the machine. The intensity is from 1 to 9. Usually we start from 3 or 4, and this button adjust the depth. And you can see the red line now equals 1.5. That means you choose 1.5 depth. And then you can see the red line equals to 3.0, and then 4.5. And when you adjust the depth, the intensity, and you press this button and put on the gels on the machine and on the treatment area, and then you press this button, the machine is working. And we can see these are the injection hole. When you check the machine, the water is half, and you need to tear off this tag and inject water, and check the water in this way if it is full, and in this way you don't need to inject water. And also about this plastic, usually when it has scratched or it is not useful, you can change the plastic. Okay.